morning once again, myself Vishwajit. Today we are going to talk about the fundamental rights. When we talk about the fundamental rights, basically they are from the article 12 to 35. Taken before starting that fundamental rights, let's go for the today's news. Today's news was regarding to the Sachin Tendulkar and his car Ferrari. आपको भी चाहिए कार फरारी? Yes, we can give you. लेकिन क्या फरारी थोड़ी सी बड़ी है, तो हम लोग आपके लिए एक छोटा वर्जन लेके आए हैं. That is called FERRARI. दो इसके अंदर वो सभी फीचर हैं which is there in the Ferrari, वो सब के सब फीचर है इसके अंदर. फरारी 1947 आजादी मिलती है, we got the independence and we were granted the 7 fundamental rights. How many fundamental rights were given? 7 fundamental rights were given. But later on, one of the fundamental right was taken away. That was right to property. And at present we are having the 6 fundamental rights. We are having the 6 fundamental rights. Now what are these 6 fundamental rights? यही तो है हमारी फरारी के अंदर. In the Ferrari, the first right is right to freedom. Second right is right to equality. Third right is right to religion. Fourth right is right to education. Right to education. Or you can say the cultural or the educational right. And the fifth right is remedies. And the sixth right is exploitation. So you will say, sir, right to exploitation है क्या आपके पास में? No. It is not a right. It is right against the exploitation. It is a right against the exploitation. You will say कि sir exploitation का right ना right against the exploitation, कि कोई आपका exploitation ना करे. That is when we talk about the 6 fundamental rights, the first is the right to freedom. For right to freedom, when we talk about the freedom, there are the 6 freedoms which are guaranteed to us, which are given to us. Second is the equality. Everyone in the India is equal. हर आदमी जो इंडिया के अंदर है सब बराबर हैं. चाहे मैं हूं, चाहे आप हो, चाहे टाटा हो, चाहे बिरला हो, anyone who is living in the India is equal. And third is the religious. You can have your own religion and you can propagate it. The fourth right is regarding to the educational and cultural right. Educational and cultural right. You can have the education and you can promote your culture. That is the fourth right. And fifth is the constitutional remedies. That is the constitutional remedies. That means the constitution is responsible for the protection of your rights. And the last one is the right against the exploitation. Nobody can exploit you. आपकी इच्छा के विरुद्ध कोई भी आपसे काम नहीं करा सकता. Obviously we say, sir विश्वजीत तो हमें जबरदस्ती पढ़ा रहा है. अरे भाई ऐसा नहीं है. I am talking about the exploitation. कोई आपसे जबरदस्ती लेबर नहीं करा सकता, चाइल्ड लेबर नहीं करा सकता. So these are the 6 rights which are guaranteed to us, जो हमें मिले हैं by the right to by the fundamental rights, by the fundamental rights. अब इसके साथ में इन rights के साथ में हमें मिली हैं 6 freedoms. We are getting the 6 freedom. Now what are these 6 freedoms? ये 6 freedom कौन सी हैं? So these 6 freedoms are in the form of samosa. Samosa खाओगे? You are interested to have the samosa. चलो खा लेते हैं फरारी में, इस फरारी में बैठ के. That is in the form of the samosa. 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 So this first one is the freedom of speech. Second one is the freedom to assemble. Third is freedom to movement. Fourth one is occupation. Fifth is stay. That means you can reside in any part of India. And last one is association. These are the 6 freedom which are guaranteed to us. You are having freedom to speech. आप बोलने का आज़ादी है आपके पास में. आप कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, but that doesn't mean कि आप कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं. You cannot use the wrong words for the other. Obviously, कौन रोकने वाला है? Fundamental duties are there which are going to stop you. Second is the assemble. You can assemble in any part of the India. Protest कर सकते हो, but it should be peaceful, non-violent way में होना चाहिए. And assemble कर रहे हैं, if you want to raise a, आपकी बात को रखना है, you can raise a movement. You can raise a movement. Third right है, you can raise a movement, but it again not against the rules and the regulation, in a peaceful and a non-violent way. Other कहीं से भी आपने कुछ गलत करा तो पुलिस is there. And the fourth one is the occupation. You can have any sort of the occupation. I want to become a teacher. You want to become join the army. You want to have your own business. आप किसी भी तरह का business कर सकते हैं. Job को occupy कर सकते हैं. And the fifth one is that means you can reside in any part of India. आप इंडिया के किसी भी हिस्से में रह सकते हैं. You want to stay in the Rajasthan. You want to stay in the Bengal, in the Assam. कहीं भी आप जाएं, आप जाके रह सकते हैं. You can reside in any part. And the last one is the association. Last one is the association. You can form your own association. आपने बनाई student association, आपने बनाई teachers education, you can make the doctors education or the traders association. So these are the certain rights which are guaranteed to you. These are the freedoms which are given to you. So whenever you sit down in a car, जब भी आप किसी कार के अंदर बैठें, especially your car Ferrari, to think over these things about the fundamental rights and the fundamental duties. Fundamental rights and 6 freedoms. And enjoy samosa while sitting in the Ferrari. Thank you. Have a nice day.